Hi, today we are going to talk about another interesting thing. So, every week someone on the team opens Google Analytics, Google Search Console and copy numbers into a doc, compare them to last week, format it. It took us more than an hour to do it, so we replaced it all with one command. This is a custom skill that we built. One command, that's it. No going back and forth to the Google Analytics and Search Console. No more copying, no more formatting. Behind the scenes, it is reaching into Google Search Console and Google Analytics, live pulling the last 7 days automatically compared to the week before, and 15 minutes later, this whole report shows up to your Slack channel in the form of an HTML report. Clicks, impressions, session, conversion, all with the percentage changes, so you know instantly if you are winning or slipping. And this part is my favorite, the AI traffic. We can see exactly how many people landed on our site from GPT, Perplexity, Claude. Most teams have no idea this number even exists. So let's understand how this whole thing works. First, we built a secure MCP connector. It only works for people on our company's domain and it never stores your data. It reads what it needs when it needs. Second, Claude takes that raw data, uses designs and converts it into an HTML report. And last is a Slack connector, which helps us post straight to Slack channel every time. And the best part is, all of this workflow is automated now with the help of Claude Code routine. So as you can see here, this is a whole routine setup. We have set it up to run the skill at 9 AM every Monday. And here you can see I did a scheduled run and we have the live report on Slack. Here is the report, and if I click on this link, I'll get a downloaded HTML report, which is this. And here are all the connectors that we use. This is the GSC GA4 connector that we built, and this is the Slack connector that we use. So what used to take an hour is now an automated process, and you have your report every Monday before you even reach your desk. Thank you.